The Royal Botanical Gardens in Port of Spain Trinidad was created in 1818 by Governor Woodford, who sought to fill it with specimens from around the world. Plants were collected from every continent, including India, Africa, South America, the Far East, and other Caribbean islands. These botanical gardens occupy 25 hectares with 700 trees, of which 13% are indigenous to Trinidad and Tobago.
As you go through the gardens, many of the trees are identified by small plaques showing where they originated.
The walkways of the Botanic Garden provide a beautiful location for exercising in the early morning amidst the peace and serenity of nature. Within the gardens are 3 large gazebos suitable for family gatherings. Within the Trinidad Botanic Gardens is a small cemetery that was reserved for Trinidad governors, with the earliest burial record being from 1819. Also buried in this cemetery is Sir Solomon Hochoy, who was the last British governor of Trinidad and Tobago and the first non-white governor. Within this shade house, many different types of anthuriums are grown. Within the gardens, there's an area dedicated to orchids. This area is only open between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. Monday to Friday.
When you subscribe, remember to click the bell to be alerted whenever there is a new video.
Many of the benches in the Botanic Gardens are strategically placed so that they are shaded by the trees. Throughout the day, you can hear the calls of the wild parrots and the chirping of the birds. And if you are lucky, you may see some of the iguanas and squirrels that are resident in the gardens.
For those who want slightly vigorous exercise, there's an uphill trail leading to what is known as Lookout Hill.
There are actually two routes for this trail, one starting in the area of the gazebos and the other starting on the western side along Palm Walk. There is a second part to the Botanic Gardens, which is located in front of the President's house. Within these front gardens is a fountain which was a gift from Lord Harris in 1857.
When you subscribe, remember to click the bell to be alerted whenever there is a new video. In this front garden is a small bandstand that is sometimes used for musical concerts. There is a link to the website in the description section accompanying this video.